name is Aaron Muhl with Toward Zero. Toward Zero is an engineering and consulting firm focused on helping manufacturers solve business challenges using smart manufacturing technology. The first step to enabling smart manufacturing technology is machine data. Every plant, just about, has old machines that are still highly productive and highly valuable, but may not have a straightforward method to get that machine data, that valuable machine data, out and into a smart manufacturing platform, such as the Sesame SMIP, for example. There are methods out there to hardwire the data and provide it. The challenges with those methods is in some cases they may only provide data using the MT Connect protocol. In other cases, they may only use hardwired solutions to provide the data via OPC. And often those hardwired solutions also require additional software, additional middleware. And while there may be ways to convert from one protocol to another, it's usually very expensive, very time consuming. Typically, you have to pick one set of vendors or another when you're deciding how to get data out of the machines. That's where Apigee from Toward Zero comes in. What we have designed is a hardware, firmware, and software solution that allows you to get the data from those older machines and provide it not just to the Sesame SMIP, but also provide it via MT Connect and OPC UA, so that valuable data is unlocked for any type of system that you currently own or want to add in the future. In addition to enabling multiple protocols and any vendor platform, we've built into Apigee all kinds of additional functions and features. For example, it has an HDMI port that allows you to connect a monitor and use it as a web-based HMI, so that any of those smart manufacturing systems that have valuable insight can be displayed locally at the old legacy machine. You could add a barcode scanner so that you could scan a traveler at the machine. You could add a light tower at that machine to notify your workers or your team members on the floor when certain events happen. It's wireless so that you can enable that data over an existing wireless network and not incur the expense of adding a hardwired Ethernet network. And then it has all kinds of inputs and outputs available on the unit to add additional sensors and additional sensing capabilities. For example, you could add sensors to monitor power. You could add sensors to monitor vibration. You could keep track of tool changes or tool counts. You can see when your machine powers on or powers off. It's virtually limitless what kind of sensing capabilities you can add to the machine with a single Apigee. Apigee by Toward Zero lets you quickly connect legacy CNC equipment to capture data for smart manufacturing and improvement initiatives. Create flexibility with the only intelligent data collection solution that speaks OPC UA, MT Connect, and has direct integration with the Sesame SMIP. It's the world's first and only plug-and-play device that lets your IT execute machine connectivity like an expert so your organization can focus on smart manufacturing and continuous improvement. If your company's manufacturing data is now mission critical in order to compete, don't spend thousands of dollars and hundreds of man hours trying to wrestle with programming or third-party software. With Apigee by Toward Zero,